Damn, don't you just love full-time sneakers? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're having a great Thursday. Today, it's another banging winterized version of a sneaker. Let's look at this sneaker because this is almost OG. This is almost part of a pack. This is almost absolute perfection. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're having a great Thursday, guys. Hope you're all looking after yourselves both mentally and physically, and always, like I always say, guys, make sure you're doing the right things to actually go and get your goals. Make sure you achieve your goals for the year and your lifetime goals, and always keep progressing to get to your targets, guys. And on that note, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks LTL, because we go in and talk about sneaker strategy, sneaker drama, sneaker behavior, sneaker bad behavior, because that all goes to sneaker court public opinion, guys. And also, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, like we do on a podcast, like we do on the Shoe Dog Reacts, like we do on all the reviews, guys, because it's important to get you guys to all the information that you need to get these sneakers for retail as much as possible, guys. And today's sneaker, guys, is a phenomenal pair. You all know I like 5, guys, and hey presto shebang, this is the Jordan 5 Gore Tex Off-Noir. So as you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Jordan 5 Gore Tex Off-Noir. I love the fact they call it Off-Noir. It gives it some of that off-white resemblance, because obviously we know all the ranges with the off-whites came with these unique colorways. This is not called the Black Metallic 5. This is not called the Raging Bull 5 pack sneaker, because it does reminisce the Raging Bull 5 pack sneaker where you got the Raging Bull and the Black 3M pack, but this is that Gore Tex variation of this sneaker. We're going to look at the sneaker in a bit, guys, because let's take a look at this box, guys. And I'm going to reach back here and I'm going to grab the box, guys, and hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is just a regular Jordan 5 box with that infrared red Jumpman on the front of this, black on top, and you got the cement print on the underlid there all the way through, guys. And then obviously you've got all the affiliated writing at the bottom of this, as you can see. Bang, this is where it is. This is how it looks like. This is a normal Jordan 5 box. Your normal Jordan 4 and the Jordan 5 box, they're similar, to be honest, but inside this you get the normal tissue paper, as you can see, guys, and also a stamp at the top, that big blue stamp at the top there. I actually went and picked this up off Offsprings, where an actual store in Camden, because I won it on a day. I missed out on the raffle because basically I missed out on my 9.5 size. It's a women's exclusive, guys, so basically it was quite hard to get in my size. I had to step half a size down because it didn't go to UK 10, it went to UK 9.5. So I still got it in a size half down, which it can fit, but obviously it's going to be a bit tighter, so I might need to take the insole out just to wear it. And basically this is what the box looks like, guys. There's nothing else in here except for the normal kind of sticker with that mint green circular right at the top there, guys. As you can see, that's what it is, and that's basically a little look into the box, guys. This is what it is, and this is how it should be. The label should read this. As you can see, that's what the label should read like, and it's also got that Gore Tex. I love this. It's got that little Gore Tex sign there, which means it is a Gore Tex 5, and it is a women's exclusive. It does say Women's Air Jordan 5 Retro GTX, and the code is DR0092001 Off-Noir Fire Red Black Muslin. So basically that is the code. That is what it looks like, and that's how it should read, guys. Make sure your coding is all the way correct like this, guys, and this is how it should become and come in the box. But now, guys, let's take a look at this phenomenal sneaker. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan 5 Gore Tex Off-Noir. I love the fact that they called it Off-Noir, because this is basically, this is not the Black Metallic 5. This is almost like the Black Metallic 5. Let's get this right. But also, this is basically identical to the Raging Bull 5 pack sneaker. We got the black variation with a 3M. Rather than having that 3M, it's got that Gore Tex waterproof membrane material that Gore Tex do, and it's got that DWR, the durable weather resistant material that's probably coated onto this actual material underneath. It's probably layered up in a way that actually lets you have this waterproof sneaker. This with water is absolutely beautiful. The actual water dripping down this with the water not even stagnating, it literally is resilient to water. It is so good, like in terms of what it looks like. And the leather on this, I want to say Gore Tex material on this. Let's not call it leather, because this almost feels like leather and it almost feels like nubuck. And as you can see, it also gives you some of that stroke action there. Look at that. This is not ashy, guys. I'm telling you, this is like almost like a plush leather nubuck suede. It is the Gore Tex material that used on it is so good. I've been told it's waterproof, guys. It's basically layered up. The Gore Tex kind of material that they use is layered up into different layers, and it's got this DWR in it, which gives it that durable water resistance. And basically, as you can see, I'm going to open this sneaker up. I'm going to tell you where this Gore Tex material is basically signed off from, because basically inside on this, as I open it up, you can see the inside there, right there, guys, says Gore Tex all over it. I'm going to try and get this in the camera, but right inside there, that white paneling does say Gore Tex in there. It's basically, it says fabric with recycled textures, so it's a recycled material, textured material, waterproof material, and this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's so beautiful. I love every variation of a Jordan 5 black variation in terms of how close it looks like to the black metallic 5, and I need to check off that black metallic 5 on my list, guys, because I need that black metallic 5. I love the PSG 5 because the PSG 5 underneath the netting looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the Supreme 5. I love the black metallic 5. Nothing beats the OG, but I also love the satin bread 5 because that looks almost like the OG, and this Gore Tex 5 is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Looks so much like the OG, and I love the fact that it's got that 23 at the back panel there, because this is the right hand side. I'm going to grab the left hand side, and as you can see, the left hand side has got that Gore Tex in the back panel there with the lateral side. Basically, that says Gore Tex on the back panel there. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And the material is like almost not true to black. If you look at this in hand, it's not true to black. It's slightly a bit white ashy, but it's not white ashy. It's just the material on it is so good. But also what I love about this sneaker, obviously you've got that red tooth on this. It's red, and as you can see, the vintaged outsole on the translucent, rather than being that translucent outsole, it's vintaged all the way through, guys. It is so good. This was derived from like the off-white variations of this sneaker, and then it brought it back to the Jade Horizon 5s, and now the Gore Tex 5. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, even the side netting on this is actually vintaged out, and I love this because you know what the sneaker's gonna do when it gets even more vintaged out, because this is absolutely gorgeous. Love the red teeth on this, love the black on this, love the aged outsole, and love the aged netting. Love also the aged netting that runs on that tongue into that 3M tongue. Absolutely gorgeous. This is how they should do a Jordan 5, guys. This is absolutely magnificent. I love this sneaker, guys. This is so good. And then you also get that Gore Tex hang tag just for your liking, just for you, just to let you know this is the Gore Tex sneaker. On top of that, guys, you've got the red Jumpman at the back. I don't care if it's got Nike or Jumpman. OGs always have to have the Nike on the back, but with other regular releases, I don't care if it's got that Jumpman, because it's still a gorgeous Jordan 5 sneaker. Like, this is so good. I love this. This is going to keep you dry in the winter time. This is going to keep the wetness off your feet. This is going to be durable. This is a Gore Tex sneaker. If you don't know Gore Tex sneakers, they are heavy duty. They are fit to wear, weatherproof. This is one of those ranges. And I love winterized sneakers. I had the winterized 3s, I've got the winterized 4s, I had the winterized 12s. Now I have a winterized version of the Jordan 5. This easily could have been the winterized 5, but they done the Gore Tex 5 with this. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's got a lace lock on this with that red, vibrant red actual lock, and also that translucent lace lock that comes with it. But also it's got a little Jumpman on the side of this as well, on the side panel there. This is basically going to lock you in. What I love about Jordan 5s is you don't even need to lace them up. You basically put the lace lock in, tuck your laces in, and you're good to go, and love it about this. But one thing I did realize about this sneaker, as you can see, the sneaker is actually narrow. Those pods on the side actually are more narrow than normal. And if you see the Jade Riser 5s, if you see any other regular 5s, even if you see the Fire Red 5s, that pods on the side of the actual ankle are a bit more plump. Let's just say they're plumper, but these are a bit more flatter, just like the off-white variation or off-white vibe. This is probably going to be like the DJ Khaled 5s, which actually I think the DJ Khaled 5 removes the side pods on it, but I love the side pods to be a bit more puffier. That's the only thing I kind of don't really like about this, is the fact that I love the pods on the side ankles of this to be a bit more puffier, to be a bit more kind of a Jordan 5 aesthetic. You can't dislike this sneaker. You cannot dislike this sneaker. I don't dislike this sneaker. This is a gorgeous variation. Another black sneaker, another banger of a sneaker from actual Jordan brand, and a Gore Tex variation. And the Gore Tex material is so soft. It is so soft and so plush. Like, I don't know how they got that to give it that plush kind of stroke action on this. This is crazy. This sneaker is crazy. And obviously everybody loves that air bubble. Everybody loves the air bubble. So good. Love the air bubble. Love the 3M. This is a home run from Jordan brand. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Your Jordan 5 Off-Noir Gore Tex. Such a crazy sneaker. I can't wait to get this on feet. I'm gonna have to get this on feet. This is such a great sneaker for winter time. If you want a winterized sneaker, if you want a sneaker that's durable, if you want a sneaker you can run around in, if you want a sneaker that's gonna keep your feet dry rather than wet, this is what you need, guys. Jordan 5 is one of my favorite silhouettes, and this is getting an instant super go, guys. Love this variation. You could not make a better winterized sneaker than this. And I'm being biased there because I love Jordan 5s. I absolutely adore Jordan 5s, but this is a great sneaker. Just the materials, just the fact that it's Gore-Tex, the material is waterproof, just the fact that it absolutely looks like a black metallic 5. It actually looks like the Raging Bull 5 pack black variation without the 3M. This is a gorgeous sneaker, guys. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely crazy. And on that note, guys, what I do actually love about this, before I do the whole 360-12 thing, that 23 on the back is excellent, guys. And on that note, let me give you that front perspective, let me give you that Jumpman booty action perspective, that lateral side, that medial side, and that absolutely beautiful vintage outsole. And I'm going to give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure this is on your feet, make sure you bring the heat, and make sure when it's raining outside you wear these. Bang and bang. And guys, if you haven't got this, I know the guys in the States are actually getting this on the 30th of December, somewhere in December, because it's been pushed back. We still got this on November time, early November time. I think it was the 5th of November we got this. But this is such a great sneaker. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is available. You can get this. But what I advise, guys, that if you are going for this is a women's exclusive release. Obviously, there's going to be more sizes in the smaller range. But if you are going for this, try and get there early for this sneaker, because this sneaker in the bigger sizes is going to sell out. This is a banger. They should have done extended sizes for this, because everybody that I know would love to wear this sneaker. Everybody above a 9.5 is going to want to wear that sneaker. I'm a bit sad that Jordan brand didn't do an extended size one, and also didn't do like a general release, but also didn't do it for a gender neutral sneaker, because they need to give this sneaker to everybody. This is an absolute banging sneaker. Super Go at the bat, never in doubt. This is such an amazing sneaker, guys, and I love Jordan 5s, and probably my bias, but I don't care, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. And because this is my personal pair, I'm going to do the on feet, so stay to the end, because the on feet will be at the end of this. And this is such a beautiful sneaker, guys. So on that note, I'm going to say thank you for tuning in, thank you for joining in, thank you for always coming back. The resale on this is not too bad either, because basically you can go and pick it up. A lot of people aren't picking up the variations because they're all looking forward to the Lost and Found Chicago ones and other variations like the DJ Khaled and Mamania 4. So there's a lot of heat coming. A lot of people ain't paying attention to the Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, but if you can get the chance to get it for a discount, obviously apply that discount. But if you can't, if you want to get it, it's in the stores as we speak. You can go into the store and pick up your size sizes. You've also got the bigger sizes in store. They all sold out in terms of when it released online in the UK and EU with the bigger sizes, so make sure you're able to get to your store. I literally missed out on this release when it first came out. Like on the Saturday it came out, I missed out, didn't get my size, was a bit disappointed. One of the bros reached out to me and said go and pick it up in store because it'll be in store. Went to in-store, picked them up, 9.5, bang, easy guys. That's how it should be, and hopefully it continues that way because we love it. I love it when sneakers sit and you guys can cop the sneakers you like. But like I said, thank you for tuning in, thank you for joining in, thank you for always coming back, guys, and showing support. We're growing, we're definitely growing, guys, definitely growing. If you do, click that like button, click that follow button, and give me a follow, guys, and we can kind of keep growing and keep bringing all of this entertainment and this actual reviews and the sneaker information to you guys. But like I always say at the end of the channel, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year, and I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. And wait for the on feet at the end, guys. See you soon.